Alright, welcome guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to buy USDT P2P trading from Bybit. You can access your P2P site as in through deposit. You can go through deposit or go through, click on this more. It will open up to the service. Then you locate P2P. You can see it. You can see P2P trading here. Yeah, you click on it, then it take you to P2P, or you can go through it. You click on deposit. Let's go back. You click on deposit, then it will P2P will also appear here. You can see it here. Anyhow you want to go, you can go through it anyhow, or you can choose to go through it. You can choose to go through your assets. If you click on your assets, then you click on deposit, it will still bring you here. So this is how to access your P2P. So let's go and buy USDT. Click on P2P. It will bring you to this interface. Look at this one. This one is buy. This one is buy. You can see how much these people are selling their coin. This one is 1,460. This one is 1,461. This one is 1,462. The prices are different, but there is something very much important which I want to show you guys here. In this place, you need to be very much careful before you enter into the wrong hands. Look at this one here. Is writing ineligible. These are writing ineligible. These ones you can't access it. So for you to get the ones eligible, so you click on filter. Look at here, filter. You click on it. Click on filter. You filter it. Look at this thing. Look at here. Show only verified advertisers. Show only eligible ads. So you click on them. So that they will show you the ones that are eligible and the ones that are that are verified. So you click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, the ones that are showing me are the ones that are eligible and they are verified. So any one of them that I bought from here now is authentic. Yeah. Okay, another filter you're going to do is you filter the amount. As you can see here, this one is you can buy from only 1,500 naira to 3,500 naira. This one is 10k, 100k to 356k. That's the daily amount you can buy from. This one is from 550,000 to 363k. This one is 45 naira to 434k. So you're going to filter. Filter the amount. Look at it here. Click on the amount. You click on the amount. Then you put the amount. If you want to buy from 1,000 naira, you input 1,000 naira. Let me just put from 5,000 naira. Let me put from 5,000 naira. You click on confirm. It will bring you the amount, the ones that are below 5,000 naira to up. So look at this one here. This one is from 450 to 434k. This one is from 4,000 naira to 100. So let me check the first one. Vivid Oceans. So let me click on it. I'm going to buy from this seller here now. Inside this place, I input the amount I want to buy. The USDT that I will receive will appear under it. So let's continue. Then I input the amount. I want to buy the one worth of 10,000 naira US dollar. So I input 10,000 naira. Okay, you can see it here. You can see the total USDT I'm going to receive, 6.4 USDT. That's what I'm going to receive buying 10,000 naira USDT. So I click on buy. I click on buy. Okay, look at here. If you see very well here, you see the time is kicking. The time is ticking. This one is 14. You have 14 minutes to make the transfer, and look at the amount you are going to pay, 10,000 naira. The one USDT you bought it at the price of 1,549. Total quality USDT you are going to get is 6.45. Transaction fee is 0 USDT. You have no transaction fee. This one is your order number, and this one is order time, the time you made the transaction. And the seller, look at the name of the seller here. The person is verified. The person is verified. So let's continue. Then you click on pay now. You click on pay now. All right, here we are. Remember, the amount you are going to transfer is 10,000 naira, and the name you are going to transfer the amount to. Look at the name here. Look at the name here, Livingstone. That's in the account name that will appear. Look at the person's account number here, and look at the bank branch, Livingstone branch. Look at the bank name, Money Points. So you're going to copy this account number, place it in your mobile app. Then the name that will appear is Livingstone Saboa Enterprise, and is Money Points. So I'm going to show you guys all the processes here. So if to copy the account number, just click on these two blocks here. So I'm going to click on it. I've copied the account number. Remember, the bank where I transfer the money is Money Points, and the name you are transferring is Livingstone Saboa Enterprises. The account number have been copied, and is not advised that you click on payment completed, but I love clicking on it. So after making the payment, even when I'm back here or not, the person can release the money once the person received the money. If you want to check whether the person send you any message, if you want to check whether the person drop any message, you click on this message box here. Okay, let's check whether there's any information the person drop. Okay, look at the information. Say, before clicking on buy, ensure you have the money in your bank account to pay, else I will disable your Bybit P2P payment. Even if you cancel without making payment, I will still disable your account. So needless to open trade. Once you open trade, you must pay, else your account is gone. This is the warning the person is giving you. So you can go ahead and read this this message this person drop. If you want to drop the person message, you can also drop the message. Let me just, hi, are you online? So I'm just to verify that the person is online. So I will just come here and click on payment completed. I'll click on payment completed. The person will be expecting my money now, because Bybit have collected that the coin from him until he confirms it. So let me go to my bank account and transfer the money to the person. Okay, here we are in my bank account. So I'm going to proceed with the payment. So let me don't forget the name, the bank name, the account number. Let me input the account number here. Let me input the account number. You can see money points have appeared. You can see Livingstone Saboa. You can see the name here. The name have appeared. Look at it here. Look at the person's name here. You can see money points. So let's proceed the payment. I will proceed the payment. And the money we are going to send this person is 10,000 naira. You can say another important thing. Do you see this space here? Do you see this space here? Remark. Some bank will write their own narration. Please avoid it. Don't write anything here. Don't write anything. Leave it empty. Just send the money to the person. The person knows the reason why you are sending the money. Your name is already there. So the name in your bank, make sure that the account you're using to send the money is the same name that you used to open your Bybit. The same account name in your Bybit. So this is just confirm. Click on confirm. Make the payment. You can see it transfer successful. I have successfully sent the money to the person. So let me go back to my Bybit to check whether if the person have released the coin. All right, here we are back to our Bybit. So let me access my P2P. Let me access my P2P. Don't forget how you can access it. You can go through anywhere you feel like accessing it. Okay, the coin have been released to my account. To access your transaction, just click on this place here. Click on it. Okay, as you can see here, look at it here. Look at the transaction here. You can see completed. You can see it wrote completed. So you open it. Let me open it. As you can see, before I came in, before I log into my Bybit account, the person have already released the coin. You can see transaction completed here, and you can see the amount you receive. You can see the amount you receive here. So this is how to buy from P2P. Then if you go back to your wallet, you see the money in your wallet. So this is how to buy from P2P. Thank you for watching my video, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to crypto and you want to learn everything about crypto, you are at the right place. Go to the description. You see a link. Join my WhatsApp group. That's where I drop updates on crypto and airdrops. Join my WhatsApp group so you can learn everything about crypto. Thank you. See you in the next video.